Now let's talk about the input function. This is a very important topic, okay? Because for example, if you go inside an app like Twitter or something else, or a game, it would ask your details, your email address, your name, your phone number, right? So how does it ask you? With the input function, okay? To do that, you write a variable like ask name. Sorry, it's in caps. Ask name. Okay. Now you should write input. Okay, input. Then type in brackets. I'll tell you how this works at the last. Okay. Then you write convert this into a string. Okay, you're going to ask a question. Type in your name. Okay, now this would ask the user who is using your app or your game to type in his name. See here, now you can type here REVENTH. Okay, this is the input function. It helps us to type. Okay, now after this uh, uh, we'll write we'll type in a variable called wish. Okay, wish, and this will wish the user. So wish equals to uh, what shall we write? Morning good morning. Then I taught you about this concatenation, right? I think in the third video. So if you don't know about that, go and check the third video. Okay, so plus, then here we'll write ask name. Okay, now we'll print this wish. I'll explain the code, don't worry. Okay, now what would happen? Now Python would come here and ask to type in your name. Now after this uh, we would type in our name right here, Raven. We would type. Then in the wish variable uh, we have typed in good morning plus ask name. So whatever is given in here, it would be printed here. Good morning Raven, good morning, or any other name. Okay, then we have to print this to the terminal, right? So that we have to use the print function. Now if you run this, see here, type in your name, Revanth. Sorry, not there, not Revanth. Then if you click enter, see here, good morning Revanth. Right now here there's not a space here, so let's leave a space here. We can type in anything like Mike. Now if we run this, good morning Mike. Okay, it's none other than the input function.